Next up, we have the Community Champion Award, recognising the special people who have stepped up to support those around them during the pandemic.
I am the chairman of the Woodhall Spa and Kirkby-on-Bain Coronavirus Support Group. At the beginning of lockdown, we had already started talking on our community Facebook page about how we could provide support to those who were shielding and self-isolating. We set up the support group who helped with shopping and delivering prescriptions for those who couldn't get out. I could not have done this without the support of the team. We have been able to deliver a service to those who've been self-isolating and shielding during the pandemic.
This was set up on the 23rd of March, trying to identify those people that are vulnerable to this pandemic and also requesting support from volunteers. Within the space of about 72 hours, I had something like about 117 volunteers, and in the early days I'd identified about 50 residents that directly needed help. I'd suggest the impact on some of these residents is it saved their lives. If we hadn't been around, if they hadn't called the numbers, I don't know what would have happened.
Washington Borough Community Group was established by a next door neighbour to Di, who had gone to the chemist to see if she could help.
My neighbour, she'd got two sons. I've got a son and daughter-in-law living in Washington with two sons. So I'd got 5 already that agreed to do prescription deliveries. And as one person heard about it, they passed it on to the neighbour and it soon went.
And then in the 4 months to August, we'd done 1,000 deliveries.
The winner of the Community Champion Award is Debbie Bollard.
Debbie and her team made a massive difference in Woodhall Spa. During the pandemic, their COVID team helped thousands of people. But for us as judges, it was the legacy of this project which really stood out. They've set up a food bank for Woodhall Spa, so that village now going forward has something really positive out of this situation. Congratulations, Debbie. That is such a great thing to be proud of.